Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on Do Not Disturb through notifications that you may not want to pop up at a certain time interval on your Macintosh computer. So this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by selecting the system preference icon down in your dock. So go ahead and left click on that. Go ahead and select where it says notifications, and where it says turn on do not disturb, check mark inside the box here where it says from, make sure that's check marked, and that is pretty much it, guys. You don't have to really do anything else at this point. So make sure it's check marked in here from, and then you can set what time you want do not disturb to be activated for. So pretty straightforward process. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.